Hey guys, I'm Susie. Ding dong. And this is going to be a quick little day 4 of Selfie Cash review to see like how's it going for Sue. So I am just chilling out. I'm eating my not my breakfast. I'm eating my soup, and I have not really done a Selfie Cash video today. I didn't do a promotion or anything, but when I did wake up, I checked my Warrior Plus account and it had a Forget About Broke sale in it. I was like, oh my god, that's so cool. So I think the cool thing about that is that, and a Selfie Cash sale, all right? So I'm trying to get this situated so I can eat and talk. So what I did in the last video is I think I talked about Forget About Broke in the comments area. So I thought that's pretty cool. So here's the thing, like you could also promote other products, because what I was saying in the last video is that Selfie Cash is awesome. And the bonus, you go to the Beyond the Buy Builder Sunday group where we basically help you like unpackage your digital product that you purchase, like your Selfie Cash, Zombie Commissions, Forget About Broke, Plenty of Commissions, and Selfie Cash. Okay, so right now we have like I think four products that our builders like know how to help you build. So in doing that, in the notes in the YouTube video I did previous to this, I talked about Forget About Broke, and then pop, I wake up and I get a Forget About Broke sale. I was like, yeah! So I think that's a really exciting situation where, well, I didn't think people would want to actually see me. Oh my god, okay, Jamie's gonna be so like pissed. But like up there, we really suck at getting these gutters clean, but I'm super excited and I don't ever want to get them clean because like I love dandelions. I literally like eat dandelions, but anyways, and I love trees and plants. So anyways, you can see that up there, but I really don't care because I love plants so much. Anyways, so the point is that when you're doing a video is that you can just talk about the other product lines that really seamlessly flow with the one that you're promoting, and maybe it'll work. Try it, right? All right, so I'm out. I made homemade soup and vegetarian. So I'm very excited. I'm gonna chow on this, and then I've got a blueberry and frozen banana smoothie with almond milk. Yeah, like cleansing the system. I can see my gut again. I'm so excited. It's looking good. So when my stomach's flat, I'll show you guys. See you later. Bye.